So the X-T50 has become the talk of the town, with whispers and leaks flooding online forums and photography communities, painting a tantalizing picture of a camera poised to revolutionize the way we capture images. But what lies beneath the superficial hype? Is the Fujifilm X-T50 truly a game changer, or is it merely a mirage of speculation? Let's delve into the swirling rumors and dissect the potential specifications, features and release window of this enigmatic Fujifilm X-T50. At the heart of the X-T50 rumor mill lies the promise of a groundbreaking 40-megapixel APS-C sensor. If true, this would represent a significant leap forward for Fujifilm, offering photographers an unprecedented level of detail and resolution in their images. However, as any seasoned photographer knows, a higher megapixel count is not the be-all and end-all. The true test will be whether Fujifilm can maintain its renowned image quality while pushing the boundaries of sensor density. Another tantalizing rumor surrounding the X-T50 is the inclusion of in-body image stabilization. This long-awaited feature has the potential to significantly improve low-light shooting capabilities and enable smooth, stable video capture. Coupled with the rumored ability to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second in 10-bit quality, the X-T50 could very well become a videographer's dream come true. But the rumor mill doesn't stop there. Whispers abound about a new user interface menu and an autofocus system that mirrors the impressive performance of the Fujifilm X-T5. If these rumors hold true, the X-T50 could offer an unparalleled shooting experience, combining cutting-edge technology with intuitive controls and lightning-fast autofocus. While the Fujifilm X-T50 remains shrouded in mystery, one thing is undeniable. The anticipation surrounding this camera is electric. Photography enthusiasts worldwide are holding their breath, eagerly awaiting the official unveiling of a camera that could potentially redefine the boundaries of what's possible in the APS-C mirrorless realm. So what's fueling this feverish hype? Perhaps it's the allure of Fujifilm's renowned X series, which has long been celebrated for its unique shooting experience and ability to capture stunning images. The X series has carved out a loyal following among street photographers, travelers, and those who appreciate the tactile experience of using a camera with a rangefinder-style design and advanced features. Or maybe it's the promise of a camera that could bridge the gap between affordability and high-end performance. The X-T50, if the rumors hold true, could offer a compelling combination of cutting-edge technology and a wallet-friendly price tag, making it an attractive option for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whatever the reason, one thing is clear: the Fujifilm X-T50 has captured the imagination of photographers worldwide, and the hype surrounding this camera is reaching a fever pitch. Of course, it's important to remember that rumors are just that: unconfirmed whispers and speculations. Until Fujifilm officially unveils the X-T50, we can only speculate about its true capabilities and features. But that's part of the allure, isn't it? The anticipation, the endless speculation, and the hope that this camera will live up to the hype and deliver a truly game-changing experience. As we eagerly await the official announcement and release date, one thing is certain: the Fujifilm X-T50 has already cemented its place as one of the most hyped cameras in recent memory. Whether it will live up to the lofty expectations remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure: the photography world is watching with bated breath, ready to embrace the next revolution in APS-C mirrorless technology. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.